Hey guys, so getting on to my next part of my sourdough. So let me show you how delightful it looks. Look at that. She looking nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it on here. I'm going to flatten her out a little bit. I am so sorry for the, I'm going to get a better way to record in here. Flatten it out. I think I'm going to get 2 loaves from this one. And then I'm going to shape it, which I will show you in the next clip. And then I got my oven heated to 450. I have a, let me see if I can show, oh my gosh, one of those in there. And I have to wipe off my stove. That was from breakfast. And yeah, so that's going on at 450 to heat. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have RA and fiber, so this makes, you know, I'm not as fancy, but I have it like this, and then you're gonna fold it to half. Okay, and then this is gonna go on this half. Come on. And then I'm going to tuck those under and give it a roll so it's just smooth. Okay, so I cut some parchment paper to fit into my dish. It's like a cast iron, you know, dish. And then I rolled this up. I'm going to leave it sit for a little bit, just for like 10-15 minutes while my oven heats up. And I'm going to slash and then probably make another one with the other roll, except I think I'm gonna twist it, so I don't know. But anyway, I will see you when I go to put this in and cut it. Okay, so here's our bread. Looks nice. I'm just gonna, I don't have anything fancy. I wish I did. Just gonna give it some slices so the steam comes out. And I took it out of the oven, put my paper in, and now I'm gonna lay this in. Put some ice, got the lid on, gonna put it on for 30 minutes, and then take the lid off.